Hi everyone. So the purpose of today's video is to show you how to convert or export Microsoft Publisher documents. And the reason for this video is Microsoft has officially announced that as of October of 2026, they are retiring this program, which means if you have any publisher files, they are no longer going to be able to be opened on your computer after that time frame. So there's a couple of different ways that you can convert these. I'm going to show you the different methods. There's three methods I'm going to show you. One is going to show you how to export this as a PDF, one as a Word document, and one as an image. So let's start with the PDF. So I'm going to come up here to the File menu, and then I'm going to come over to the Export button. Under Export, you'll see the first option says Create PDF. So then I'm just going to click this button, Create PDF. And then I just need to select a location as to where I'm going to save this to. So for temporary, I'm just going to put it on my desktop and I'm going to hit publish. So now I have a PDF version of this. The PDF version should look pretty identical to your publisher version. The only difference is that you're not going to be able to edit the PDF version unless you have advanced feature, Adobe Acrobat or something like that that you pay for, and you can make some limited changes to that. So the second method that you can use is Microsoft Word. So you can save this as a different file type. So with this document, again, I'm going to come over to the File menu. This time, I'm going to come over to Save As, and then I'm going to click Browse, and I'm going to select the location again where I want to save this. So I'm just going to put it back in my converted publisher files. And what I need to do here where it says Save as Type underneath the file name, I'm going to click on that drop down and I'm going to look for a Word document. Now, unfortunately, the Word version of this document is probably going to be laid out very different. Microsoft Word was not really designed for all of the images and formatting features and everything. So we're going to save it, and then we're also going to open it so we can take a look at what this actually looks like. So let me go ahead and open this from my desktop. So as you can see here, this is the reason why I don't really necessarily recommend Microsoft Word, because if you have a lot of images and formatting, it may not pull it in. And you can see here, really all it's pulled in is text. So unfortunately, you can try it. It depends on how busy your publisher file is, but very often the layout is just not what it was, and you're also missing images. So the third way I'm going to show you, which is the one I would choose, is how to export it as an image file. And there's a reason why an image file can be helpful. So I'm going to close out of this. And now I'm going to go back over to my file, and I'm going to go to the File menu, and I'm going to again go to Save As, and I'm going to click Browse. I'm going to choose where I'm going to save it, and instead of saving it as a Word file, I'm going to come down and save it either as a JPEG or a PNG. I'm going to save it as a PNG because that's usually a clearer image. So I'm going to click on PNG, and then I'm just going to locate where I'm saving it to. So again, I'm going to put it in my converted publisher files, and then I'm going to hit Save. So now I have an image of this. In another video, which I will include in the description box below, if you insert this image to a program like Canva, they have a feature in their editing tools that will allow Canva to sort of scan your photo, and it will pick up the different images and text boxes and allow you to edit them, which is really, really helpful. So you can follow along with that video that's coming up. And again, you can look for it in the description box.